Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is designed by Soft2Build, a tech company which aims at solving problems in your world by code. This tutorial is aiming about on how to install XAMPP. So I have installed already my SQL and I'm going to install XAMPP. So you go on the browser, you install XAMPP, you go on the browser, and you install XAMPP with your internet on. So we install XAMPP. So this one will take some time to load. So now when you come here, you can choose which type do you want. I downloaded this one, the recent one, the of 64-bit. That's if you're using a 64-bit machine. After that, I already have mine downloaded, so I'll just go in the download section. Just go to the download section and then install XAMPP. Double tap, then you accept. And then soon it will be, it's now installing. Press OK, next, 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 then we press next, English. So setup is now ready to begin, so we say next, and now it is installing. So we wait for it to install. So now it is downloading and I think it is finalizing with this. This may take about 15 to 20 minutes. That's according to your machine, but mostly 10 minutes. So now it is done and now we can run. So in our next tutorial we shall be learning on how to have MySQL and XAMPP in the same machine. Thank you.